Welcome again to this video. My name is MJB. I want to take you through career choice, considering the fact that the Ministry of Education has already announced the dates for the grade 9 candidates to choose their pathways as well as subject combinations before they will sit for their national assessment, which will enable them to join grade 10 next year, 2027. Remember, the first thing is these particular learners, as it has been announced that from 24th of August 2026 to 11th of September 2026, they will be undertaking that exercise. Learners must understand one thing, that as they are going to choose their pathways as well as subject combinations, they must understand that that is number one step to their future careers. That particular step to their future careers ought to be taken seriously, because if that particular stage is not considered, if it is not taken keenly, then they will have challenges. Grade 9 learners should understand the aim of CBE. Before entering into any pathway, they should consider the aim of CBE. And what is the aim of CBE? The aim of CBE is to produce holistic individuals with competencies, holistic individuals with competencies, values, knowledge, and skills necessary to succeed in a highly competitive world. I repeat that the aim of CBE is to produce holistic individuals with competencies, values, knowledge, and skills necessary to succeed in a highly competitive world. In a highly competitive world. That one must be considered. That in CBE, these particular learners are getting skills, they are getting values, they are getting competencies, they are getting knowledge that will enable them to succeed in a highly competitive world. So what does it mean? This means that before these particular learners choose a pathway, they must consider their values, they must consider their skills, they must consider their necessary knowledge, necessary competencies that they must have acquired before they choose a pathway. They need to understand that. They need to understand that. That remember, this world is highly competitive. And the kind of choice you make when it comes to subject combination, when it comes to career pathway, that one will determine whether you're going to compete or succeed in this highly competitive world, or you're going to fail. So if you choose, for example, STEM pathway, have you gained the values, the skills, the knowledge that will enable you to succeed in this highly competitive world? Another thing that these particular learners must consider is that kind of exercise they will undertake for them to have their subject combinations at senior school, for them to have their pathways at grade 10 senior school, that exercise means their career choice. Any wrong decision will make the entire system wrong, because a slight mistake will affect the entire system. You need to be keen and you need to be serious when it comes to that exercise. As the learners find themselves in holidays, their parents, guardians, among other responsible people, should take part in advising these learners so that the kind of decisions they will make will depend on their skills, values, knowledge that will help them succeed in a highly competitive world. And above all, there's what you call passion. Do you love the career choice you want to enter into? Do you have that passion? Something that you like doing. You feel comfortable when you are doing it. You feel happy and healthy when you are doing it. That is what will decide what your career choice will be. Because you cannot choose something that will give you stress. You choose something that will give you happiness. Yeah, happiness. You need happiness in life. And that happiness, you will make it when you choose the right subject combination and the right career pathway. We must consider some facts when it comes to career choice. We must consider several facts that will make us to have the best career choices. Number one, don't decide until you are ready. You must be convinced in your mind and you must be ready that you want to make a career choice. So don't decide until you are ready. You also have to work to your strength. Make sure that you look at your strength. Where is your strength when it comes to career choice? Where is your strength? What are you able to do as an individual successfully? Consider that as well. You must also volunteer to your career choice. Volunteer to your career choice. Make sure that you volunteer yourself to that particular career choice that you are going to make. Talk to people who work in your career choice. Talk to them. If you want to be a doctor, talk to doctors. Consult doctors about your career choice. Consult engineers if you want to be an engineer. Consult teachers if you want to be a teacher or an educator. Consult those who work in your career choice. Listen to advice and make your decision. Listen to advice and make your own decision. For more advice, you can contact Mwalimu Jeff Bama. Thank you for listening. Make the right career choice.